There will be days when life whispers that you are not enough, when failure sits heavy on your chest, when the world expects you to stay down. But listen carefully. You were not created to stay down. You were created to rise. Not once, not twice, but every single time. And today, this message is for the one who feels tired, for the one preparing in silence, for the one studying when nobody is watching, for the one who fell but refuses to stay fallen. Yes, this is for you. You may write me down in history with your doubts, with your criticism, with your judgment. You may say I am not capable. You may say I am too late. You may say success is not meant for me. But like dust, I rise. Do you feel the weight of expectations? Do you feel the pressure of time moving faster than your confidence? Maybe you failed an exam. Maybe you lost motivation. Maybe you questioned your own path. But hear this truth clearly. Failure is not your identity. Delay is not your destiny. Doubt is not your definition. Because within you lives a power that does not break, a spirit that does not surrender, a fire that does not die. And that fire says, I rise. When life pushes you down, rise with patience. When fear surrounds you, rise with courage. When the world becomes silent, rise with faith. You are not rising because life is easy. You are rising because your purpose is greater than your struggle. Think of the nights you kept going. Think of the mornings you started again. Think of the battles no one ever saw. That strength, that quiet determination, that refusal to quit, that is your power. And power does not whisper. Power rises. To the one preparing for a better future, to the one chasing stability, respect, and success, every page you study is a step upward. Every distraction you resist is a victory. Every moment of discipline is a declaration. I will rise. Success is not built in comfort. It is built in persistence. Not in talent alone, but in consistency. Not in luck, but in faith combined with action. And if today feels heavy, if progress feels slow, remember this: even the sun rises slowly, but it always rises. You were not placed here without purpose. You were not given dreams without strength. You were not given challenges without the ability to overcome them. When you feel alone, you are being prepared. When you feel weak, you are being strengthened. When you feel uncertain, you are being guided. The same power that lifts the morning sun, the same force that moves the tides, that same divine strength lives within you. And it calls you to rise, not with arrogance, but with courage, not with anger, but with resilience, not with fear, but with faith. Does my determination offend you? Does my persistence surprise you? Because I walk like I carry hope inside me. Because I stand like I believe in tomorrow. You may see struggle, but I see growth. You may see delay, but I see preparation. You may see obstacles, but I see stepping stones. Because I am not defined by what tried to stop me. I am defined by what could not stop me. And so, I rise. From doubt, I rise. From fear, I rise. From failure, I rise. From pain, I rise. From yesterday, I rise. I rise with courage in my heart. I rise with purpose in my soul. I rise with faith in my steps, leaving behind every limitation, walking toward every possibility, becoming everything I was created to be. And if you are listening right now, this is your reminder. You are not behind. You are not finished. You are not defeated. You are rising. So stand up again. Breathe again. Believe again. Because your story is not over. Your effort is not wasted. Your breakthrough is not impossible. No matter what tried to bury you, no matter what tried to silence you, no matter what tried to stop you, like hope, like light, like the unstoppable human spirit, you will rise. And you will keep rising. Always.